Hi guys, today I will show you a full guide on how to withdraw from GoMining easily in 2025. Let's get started with this video. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. First, log into your GoMining account and head to the virtual wallet section. Click on withdraw and choose what you want to withdraw, either Bitcoin or GoMining tokens. If you're withdrawing Bitcoin, select the Bitcoin network. You'll have two options: fast withdrawal, which processes in about an hour but charges a fee, or standard withdrawal, which takes up to 24 hours but is free. Enter the amount, paste your Bitcoin wallet address, complete two-factor authentication, and you're set. If you're withdrawing GoMining tokens, select your network, BEP20, ERC20, or TON. Paste the destination wallet address carefully, set the amount, and confirm with two-factor authentication. Remember, there's a daily limit of 30,000 tokens, and fees depend on the network you pick. Now if you want to withdraw an entire digital miner, go to the My Miners section, select your miner, and click Withdraw. Choose the correct network for your miner, paste the address, and confirm through the code sent to your email. Make sure any wallet you're withdrawing to has been linked to your account for at least 24 hours before making the request. And that's it. Fast, secure, and ready for your next move.